So we're looking for air leaks. We got the throttle body. It was tight, but I got one more partial turn, if you will. Not much, maybe about an inch on the end of the wrench in radius, if you will. But one of the things I noticed here, look at this, where the MAF sensor goes. You can see it's not perfectly flat. Right here, it's a little hump. And I don't know if that's making a full seal. You can see it right there better now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a Dremel. I got tape on the inside. Make sure no debris gets in there. I'm going to put a Dremel on that and flatten that. See if we can get a better mating surface, because I might be sucking air in there. So I use tape to block the hole, and then tape basically to get it clean. Now that isn't any particulates you see there. That's part of the molding. But we did get it flattened down, as you can see. Best I can get it, but it's much better than it was. I just didn't want to keep grinding on it because I'm getting into the insert. As you can see where it is, the bottom is much flatter than the top. But one thing too I want to show you guys, you look down here. My one video I talked about secrets revealed. I hand polished this inner part of this intake. It was super rough on the inside, so I did it by hand, worked it down with different grades of sandpaper until it was perfectly smooth, cleaned it all out. That might be worth a few horsepower. I don't know, didn't dyno test it, but any little bit helps when you can increase airflow. Just a little trick there. So we taped everything off. Just hit it with a dab of paint, just to put a little color on it. You can see where it was ground was showing, so. Now you can see how much better or flatter that is. Still got a slight, but it's more profound before. You just hit it with just a slight touch up. Should be good. We'll get that sensor put back in.